my beauties, how are you doing today? I hope you guys are taking care of yourself during this COVID time. Welcome back to our channel, Rome by Irani. Meet Bella. Bella, say hi. Okay guys, so today we're going to talk about a product which is a sleeping mask, which is should be a last routine when you go on bed. So we all know guys that water is a source of life, and it gives moisture, and behind this lively beautiful skin what we need is moisture. So today I'm here to review a product which has maximum water content, called as Laneige. Laneige is a Korean brand which believes that water gives us clear and transparent skin. Not only moisturizes our skin but also helps in anti-aging. They also believe in giving your skin a beauty sleep. So today I'll be reviewing this Laneige water slipping mask and also their and also Laneige lip slipping mask. This is the product guys. First of all, do your normal skincare. I'll show you step by step, so at least you will get an idea how to get this thing done, how to apply on your skin. I mean, wash your face gently with a good face wash, whatever face wash you prefer to use. I usually use the Himalaya one. The neem one is really good. It really takes care of my skin very well. Once you're done with your face wash, what you have to apply is the toner. I use the Palm Green Tea alcohol free toner. This is the one. It's a very good product guys. Just take a little bit of the toner, whichever toner do you prefer, you can use that. Once you have done the toning to your face, you can also use, if just in case if you do not have a toner, you can also use the rose water. At times I use this Kama Ayurveda rose water. In case if I do not have, I'm out of stock with the toner, so I use the rose water. Once you have done the toning, what you have to do next is apply a great moisturizer. Yes guys, this is really important to maintain your skin, that glowing skin effect you needed. So whatever moisture, whichever your favorite moisturizer, you can use that. I have two favorite products of mine which I use. Either I go for the this Pond's Super Light Gel. This is the one, or it's a gel form. It's a very nice moisturizer. Or I like using the Palm Green Tea night gel. This is again a very good moisturizer. It's a night gel. So take a little amount of it, or the appropriate quantity, whatever you feel which can cover up your face. Take it in a spatula. You'll get a spatula or something like this. Just use a spatula, apply it on your face and feel the fragrance of it. So once you're done with moisturizing your skin, you can also add the vitamin E oil. I use this pure vitamin E oil from Dairy Herbs. This is the one. It's a very good product. Just take 2-3 drops of it and just gently apply on your skin. It gives a very different texture to your skin. It glows your skin. You get a very different glow. You get a very good glow on your skin after using this vitamin E oil. Or maybe you can use any other oil which you prefer guys, the vitamin E oil. Massage it really well on your skin till it gets absorbed to your skin. And please guys, remember, the sleeping mask is the last step of your skin routine. You can't apply the Laneige water sleeping mask just as a moisturizer. You have to use this moisturizer on your last step of the skincare routine. All you have to do is take appropriate amount of this gel. You can see it. It's very light in weight. I'll show you on my back hand. I'll just take it little bit of it. This is how it looks like. Just apply it gently. See, it's so soft. You feel it's so nice. I mean, it hydrates your skin so well. Just massage it on your skin, on your face, till it gets absorbed. And once it's done, you can go to your bed. it really feels so light on my skin, I can't tell you guys, and the fragrance is just amazing. It's very light. It's amazing. It has some cooling effect to it, and I'm sure you will love it. Please do try this. I would highly recommend you to try this. And please guys, remember, this is not a sponsor video. This is a product which I prefer personally. I prefer this products, and I really enjoy this product. So guys, our next product comes up to so the leftover, I usually put it on my back of my hand. You know, it leaves my hand very soft and fragrance. You know, it leaves my hand very soft, very nice. So I prefer doing this at my last stage. So for my lips, I usually use the Laneige lip slipping mask. This is the one. Okay, so it has a berry taste to it. It's very mild, and it's very nice. It has that you know, it has that thick consistency, I would say. I mean, even if you apply, like say after dinner, sorry, and it stays for long. I mean, what I usually prefer, putting this across on my lips when I'm off to bed, so it stays for whole night. And so what you have to do, I'll show it to you just a moment. This is how I've started using actually this product recently. So this is much I've already used it, and you will see this beautiful skin. Yes guys, trust me, you will definitely see some difference on the first go itself. Trust me, do try this sleeping mask and the lip slipping mask. It's really nice. This lip mask has as I said, berries to it, and it also has vitamin C in it. This gives you smooth and stable lips. You know, it gives you very natural lips. I mean, these are good for the chapped lips. If you have a dry and chapped lips, this is really good product. I would highly recommend you to go for this, and you'll really feel good. Trust me, you'll definitely like this product. So I would definitely recommend you to try this both, and do let me know how do you like this product in the comment section below. All these products are available on Nykaa and Amazon. We'll share the links in the below description box where you can easily get them. You can easily purchase them. And guys, this is not a sponsor video. This is what I personally use, and I'm giving my feedback, and I love giving the reviews what products I'm using it. So this is not a sponsor video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if yes, please do a thumbs up, and do not forget to share, like, comment. Please do forward to your friends who are actually looking forward to buy a good skincare products. I would definitely recommend them to, you know, use this. And please hit the bell icon so that whenever I'm putting the next video, you'll get my notifications. And till that time guys, you take care. Love you all, and it's beautiful meeting you again. Take care. Good night.